Hey, what's up, you guys? Take out your science books. We finished topic 6, which is about habitats. We're gonna open page. It doesn't have a number. The page after 229, 221. So this should be 222. You'll find like a green frame around it. Okay. So we're gonna do some science practices. So this is gonna be so much fun. I'm actually excited about that part. We here have questions. Scientists ask questions about the world. We all know that. They could ask which rocks float in water. This question can be tested. Science can do tests to find the answer. A scientist would not ask which rocks are pretty. This question cannot be tested because people like different rocks. So there are two different types of questions. One question can be tested, like, can this float or not? Will it float or sink? Will it float or sink? Will this rock float or sink? There is another type of question. Is this rock pretty? Do you find it, do you like it or not? So someone can say, I don't like it. It's dark, it's gray, I don't like it. It's not pretty. Another one can say, I think it looks beautiful. So this question cannot be tested. Everyone has his own opinion. So ask one question that you have about these rocks. Tell if your question can be tested. So they already asked two questions. Can they float or not? Are they pretty or not? One of them can be tested, the other one cannot be tested. So I want you to tell me a third question and you tell me if it can be tested or not. Let's think of a question. Let's think of a question. Let's think of a question. I got a question. Are they equally heavy? I mean, do they weigh the same? Which one is the heaviest, right? So if I want to ask, let's stick to one question. Which one is the heaviest? So I want you to answer me this. Can this question be tested or not? So down here, you're gonna write the question, which one is the heaviest? And then you're gonna tell me if this question can be tested or not. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you a video. It's really good. I watched it. I got really excited about it. You're gonna see a video. It's the link is down below in the description box. So watch it. After you watch the video, this is your homework. I want you to try this experiment yourself and I want you to take a video. So you're gonna get a tank and you're gonna get some stuff, your stuff. You're gonna get some of your things and you're gonna check, you're gonna test them. Will they float on the water or will they sink under the water? Okay? This is your homework. It's a practical homework. You're gonna send me a video or at least a picture. So I need to make sure that you tried it. I want you to tell me what are the things that floated, what are the things that sinks underwater. Okay? Watch the video. So this is a picture of the video. Watch it and do your homework and enjoy. Take care, my babies. I love you.